What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We have Skylar in the good old shop today. All right, so we made a little bit more headway with Sky here. We got the timing belt on. We finally got that done. That was kind of a pain in the butt. If you guys don't know anything about Honda timing setups, you have your line right there lined up to your arrow. And then you have an up right here that points up. And there's a line over here and a line over here that goes level with the head. So timing is set, timing is set. Timing is set. Timing is set. Basically, at this point, what we got to do is we got to put on this bracket, the alternator back on, and then basically we're putting this car back together again. So let's do it. It's a little cold outside. That's why we got the door closed. We have Sky working on the... Oh, that's a nice shirt, Sky. Thank you. We have Sky working on his Honda. He's currently, we actually got the front covers on. We got the crank pulley on, and Sky is in the process of tightening down his alternator and power steering, or alternator and, yeah, keep turning, alternator and AC compressor bolt or stud. You gotta keep going, dude. There's a lot. I'm turning, dude. Yeah, turn like a man. Turn like a freaking man. Turn like a man. But the Honda's coming together, guys. And then what we got to do is we got to put the power steering pump back on, and then we also got to put that belt on, which is right here. We bag and tag things here too, guys. Look at that. Don't mess around. Got to put the VTEC solenoid on. We had to go get a gasket for that because that gasket's trash. Keep going, boy. Keep going.
I'm going, boy.
Keep going, boy. You guys... Sky, are you excited about your 350Z build?
I'm very excited about it.
You want to? I'm going to show them the engine.
All right. Which one?
The one that's on the engine stand right now. You keep cranking down, boy.
Okay, I'm great.
So this is a 50,000 mile fucking VQ35D engine that his mom and the rest of the family spent money, got him. We got him the car. They got him the engine. 50,000 mile engine. Comment below in the comments if there's anything we need to do to this engine before sticking it in his 350Z, guys.
Any Z owners?
Hi, bike. Hi, bike. Any Z owners, right?
No, please.
Any Z owners. You done yet?
No, dude.
What's taking so long,
it's
dude?
Hurting. It's cutting
oh no, it's hurting. It's hurting, guys. It's so painful. So painful.
I own a Z, okay? I'm gay.
I wish there was lights above the door, but I guess there's a reason.
Why would there be lights above the door?
Because if the door's
when
open, there's
the
right.
door,
Yeah, I just wish there's. This is a tall ceiling, man. Put shelves up around here or something. This place is huge.
Put engines like on the walls.
We can mount engines and shit. We're not gonna do that, guys. We're not gonna do that.
I think I'm getting close.
Oh yeah. Let me check.
I'm close.
Oh, you are. Keep going. I want it so fucking tight that. Yeah, anyways. All right, we'll be back, guys. All right, so I had to take Sky to work, so I'm going to stay here and get this car running and finished up for him before he gets off of work. Hopefully, I still got to pull the radiator out. Reason being is because this one took a dump, so he got a new radiator. So we're going to fix that too at the same time. We got to put this guy back on. This is the thermostat housing. Brand new thermostat. We're going to install all of that stuff. But we're going to get some of this stuff done first. Solenoid, VTEC solenoid is back on the car. Yeah, so a few things left, guys. So let's keep moving along and hopefully be able to start this thing up on camera. That'd be pretty cool. But let's see what happens, guys. So let's just keep freaking moving. Alrighty. So it's all back together. This front fascia messed up on me, but that's okay. Everything's back together. All the hoses are connected, and I'm currently filling it up with fresh antifreeze. It's kind of dark in here, but yeah, you get the picture. We got a nice little flashlight, guys. We're good. I did replace the radiator as well. So yeah, we're gonna fill this thing up and see what she does. All right, guys, we got it filled up as of right now to capacity. So we're gonna hop in this sucker, the e-brake up, get the key, start this sucker up. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully I did everything right. If I did, this should fire up no problem. Here we go. All right, guys, get the heat on. All right, we're Golden Corral. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill her up. She sounds good. That means timing's good. That means I did the timing right. I was a little afraid the timing might have been off, but we were fighting with it for a while, Sky and I, and finally we got it. But man, she runs good, guys. She runs good. All right, I'm gonna start filling her up with antifreeze and let her smoke and shit. All right, guys. Next morning, we got Sky. We're gonna drive around a little bit, make sure this thing doesn't overheat, doesn't do anything stupid. Just go that way. We'll just do like circles till this thing gets up to temperature. All right, we have a fresh battery in the GoPro, guys. Sorry about that. Good old Sky. Valid driver's license, driving his car around. Hopefully this thing works. Hopefully we won't have any more head gasket issues. And we'll kind of go from there. So if that's the case, he'll be taking his car home tonight, which will be freaking awesome for him, right?
That would be amazing.
You have your seatbelt on?
I have my seatbelt on.
Does the horn work? Horn works.
Horn works.
Driver.
Shut up. Horn blows.
All right, we're gonna drive around a little bit, guys. Hopefully everything works and is functional. And then we're kind of going to go from there. So let's just drive around. Well, guys, things are looking good. We're going to drive around a little bit more here. Temperature is staying exactly where it needs to be in this car. Yes, it has 209,000 miles on it. But the nice thing about this is now we've done everything to this car, like head gasket, head studs, timing belt, water pump, all brand new top end gaskets from the head gasket up are all brand new. So I'm super happy that he is in a nice, reliable car now. What do you think?
I like it.
Got a moonroof. Look at that. Got a nice little moonroof.
And it goes the whole way back too.
And it goes the whole way back. It goes inside the roof is where it goes. Yeah. This is an 03 Honda Civic. These things were such great little cars. So you're gonna go back towards the shop again, basically, and then just do another loop-de-loop. Unless you want to go wider and go further up and around. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do this like 2 or 3 times. We're just gonna drive it, just make sure it's good. If it drives for this long and doesn't have any overheating issues and the head gasket holds, which it should with ARP head studs, freaking ARP head studs, and everything's looking good. We got strong heat coming out of this car right now. I mean, it is hot heat.
Smells good in here. New car smell.
So we got new Little Tree cars.
Not
Little
sponsored.
Tree. Not sponsored. You can send us some if you want, Little Tree. We're okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna drive this thing around a whole bunch. Just make sure it's safe and good. It's inspected emissions. Everything's legal on it, which is freaking awesome. Skylar has a lot of cleaning to do.
I do have a lot of cleaning.
Because it is kind of dirty. It's not the cleanest car. He definitely has some cleaning to do. So that'll be something he can do on his own time. And then we also have a video coming out of an ATOTO radio that we're putting in this car for him, which is gonna be freaking awesome. Full touchscreen, just like what I've put in all the cars I've owned. Huge shout out to ATOTO. Link is always in the description below, guys, but huge shout out to ATOTO. They've given me some amazing radio systems for vehicles that I've had in the past, including the GTP, the Duramax, and now the Honda Civic. So that's going to be freaking awesome. So he's going to have GPS and everything. Hands-free, which will be very safe for him to have. The hands-free is going to be very nice. So we'll make a little video about that, and mainly a video just showing the parameters of it and stuff like that. Obviously it's a radio. I don't need to like describe to you how to put a radio in a car. That's pretty explanatory, but I can definitely show you all the perks of that radio after it's in the car. So let's keep driving around.
Yay!
And just make sure, man, this heat is hot. Holy shit,
is hot.
dude.
I'm like
turning it down, dude. It's so fucking hot.
Yeah, pull over and take all my
Oh my
sweatshirt,
god, it's hot. The heat's hot in this thing. But all right, we're gonna keep driving around and keep going, see what happens. Hopefully everything works. The temperature's staying really consistent, so I'm happy about that. All right, guys, everything's working good. Temperature is still staying very consistent. We're at a half a tank. We don't know if there's 87 octane in this car because we bought it. When Sky bought this car, it had
full
like
tank.
it almost had a 3/4 tank of gas in it already. So more than likely it has 87 in it, but I told Sky this thing only gets 93.
93, baby.
Because 93 burns a lot more efficiently. And for a little car like this, that's not that big of a deal. So we're actually heading to the gas station right now to top it off to 93, so we can keep a mileage tracker on it, see what kind of mileage this thing gets. Probably gets pretty good mileage. But other than that, guys, the car is done. He's finally driving as a legal driver in his own car, all fixed up, ready to rock and roll and stuff like that. And obviously you guys will be seeing footage on the 350Z and the other car he got as well eventually. The other car.
Do that.
I don't know if I put it in the 350Z.
I know about that.
Yeah, I don't know what if I put it in a Honda video or what. I don't know. But regardless, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Fucking hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, put it on all that fun stuff. Continue to watch for more exciting videos. Obviously, like I said in the previous videos, we're going to be working out of the garage a lot more and making more content of just our regular cars. And yeah, that's about it, guys. But other than that, deuces.